Good morning, children, and welcome back to online class. Okay, after your half yearly exam, this is your first class. So we are second class. So today we'll start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 9, geometry. Okay, children. I think that this you have already learned in class 3. So here you will be learning more about it. Okay, you have to learn more about it and some in details also. Right, children? So let us continue. Okay, like first of all, when we talk about geometry, the few terms are also related with it. Okay, like when we talk about geometry, we talk about point, then we talk about line. Okay, then we talk about line segment. Okay, children, so let us discuss what are all those. Okay, all right. First of all, your class 4 mathematics, that is maths, and today's date 14 12 20 20, right? Chapter number 9, geometry. Okay, geometry, right? Now first of all, when we talk about geometry, few terms are there. Okay, terms are there. First point is what? Point. Now when we talk about point, what comes in our mind? Just dot. Just what? Dot. This is known as your point. Right, children? This is known as your point. Now sharpen your pencil and press its tip. Just what you'll do, you'll press a tip. That is known as your point. Right. Next, sharpen a pencil and press its tip on a surface of a paper. When the tip is lifted, it leaves a small dot on the paper. This dot is known as a point. Point means what? Just you take a pen or a pencil, okay, just you in your paper, what you will do, just you will tip and leave it. Whatever will be left over there, that is known as your point. Understood, children? That is known as your point. Done. Next term is what? Your line. What is it? Line. Point number 2, what is it? Line. L-I-N-E, line. Okay, line. When we talk about line, what is it? A straight line, like this. It may be straight, it may be crooked, anything. But simple language, when we talk about line, this comes to our mind. Okay, children? There arrow will be given like this. Both side arrow will be given, left like this in both the sides. Alright, children? What is it? It is your line. What is it? Line. Both side arrow will be there. Okay, middle you can make any line. Here X, here Y. No problem. X, Y, no problem. Just to remember, point means what? A tip on a paper. Whatever will be left, that is shown as a point. Then line. Both side arrow will be there. Left hand side as well as right hand side. And in middle you can give 2 points. One point as your X, another point as your Y. Okay, children? No tension. Okay, next point when we talk about geometry is what? Line segment. Now there is a big difference between a line and line segment. There is a big difference. Line means it will not end. Line means what? It will not end. See, that's why arrow is given. It may come till here, no problem. It may go again, no problem. But a line segment means what? One measurement will be given like 2 centimeter. That means what? You will start from this point. You will measure in your scale. You will be measuring in your scale here. 2 centimeter will end here. So here you have to write 2 centimeter line segment. Okay, like this you have to write. Okay, line segment, one measurement will be given to you. You have to put one point. From there you have to start. You will measure with a scale 2 centimeter. Then you will end in the other end. When you reach 2 centimeter, you will reach there. You stop. Then you make a line. This will be your line segment. Understood, children? But line, it do not have any measurement. No measurement at all in line. It can come left hand side also again. It may go right hand side also again. There is no problem. But when we talk about line segment, there is one end. You have to stop. Start as well as stop. That is what line segments mean. Okay, children? Now, these are the three terms that is related with geometry. Alright? Now, when we do the questions, solve the questions, it will be very, very clear to you. Okay? There, I will say that you will not be having any kind of doubts when you solve these things in your questions. Right, children? Alright. Okay, now let us discuss about a line. A line is a group of points joined together. It extends endlessly in both the directions. As I have already stated, that's why both the arrows are given. That means what? You can move that line left hand side till whatever you want, or right hand side till wherever you want. Okay, that has no end. It has no end. That was given endlessly. There is no end in line. But now, when we talk about line segment, a line segment is a part of a line that has two ends. Two ends means what? Start and end. That is known as two ends. Start as well as end point. That is known as two ends. So line segment is not endlessly. Line segment is end. Has a 2 point, that is two ends. Start as well as end. Understood? Whereas line, it does not have any end. Understood, children? Okay. Now, we'll talk about, let us do the question part. That is question number, exercise 9.1, question number 2. Question number 1 we are not going to do because there you have to do what? How many number of straight lines are there, that you have to see the picture and then do. But since I cannot show you the pictures properly, so I am going to exclude it. We will do question number 2, 3 and 4. Right, children? Question number 2, 3 and 4. Alright. Question number 2. Observe the figures carefully and answer these questions. Okay. Question number 2. First of all, exercise 9.1. 9.1, question number 2. Observe the figure. Observe the figure and answer. Observe the figure and answer. Question number A. Okay. One figure is there. That means one picture is there like this. Okay. First of all, let me draw the picture. Here. One rectangle is there. Okay. Then what? One this type of thing is there. Alright. Okay. Then attach with it one more is there. And then how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see, this picture is given in your question. Now, question number A. First of all, what is the question given? How many triangles are there in the figure? First of all, question is how many triangles are there in the figure? Now see, how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are there, children? There are 9 triangles. How many are there? There are 9 triangles. See how? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 triangles. Alright children. So question number A will be how much? 9. Right? Next, question number B. There are dash circles in the figure. Now see the circles here. How many circles are there? You have to see. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many circles are there? 7 are there. See the picture properly. How many circles are there? First of all, you count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then full 5, 6, 7. There are 7 circles. Okay, children. How many circles are there total? There are 7. You see this picture, then you can understand it. How many are there? Okay. If you have doubt, I can show you. See this first one, small. Second one, little bigger. Third, little more bigger. Right? Inside this, one more circle is there, no? That you can take 1. Okay? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there. Okay, next question we talk about is, there is or are rectangle or rectangles in the figure. How many rectangles are there? How many rectangles are there in the figure? How many? I can see only two. Sorry. 1, 2. I can see 2 rectangles there. So first of all, number C, you have to tick their ARER. Okay. First of all, you have to see how many are there. 2. So it will not be is, it will be R. And second one, how many? 2. There are 2 rectangles. Question number D. There is or are square in the figure. I can see only 1 square in the figure. Only 1. Okay. So first it will be is and second it will be only 1. Alright. Now this is your question number 2. Now we'll do question number 3. Question number 3 is very easy. Just what you have to do, you have to take a scale and measure it. Okay children, you have to take a scale and measure it. That will be your question number 3. Question number 3. Draw the line segment. Draw line segment. Okay. Draw the line segment. Question number A. Question number A 6 centimeter. Question number B 4 centimeter. Question number C 9 centimeter. And question number D 10 centimeter. Okay children, now what you have to do, you have to take your scale, okay, and then you have to measure. You have to take your scale and then you have to measure. Alright. Okay, first of all 6 centimeter. Okay, you will see in your scale 6 centimeter. This is your scale. Okay, you can see here, you will start your numbers from 0. Alright, from 0 you will reach to 6. That will be your 6 centimeter. So with the help of your scale, if you measure, it will be like this. I am measuring with my scale. So from 0 to 6. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to underline, make a line with a scale, like a straight line. Okay, this is your 6 centimeter and you can write A, B. Alright, next question number B, 4 centimeter. Again with the help of your scale, mark 4 centimeter. From 0 you will start and end in your 4. Okay, then what you will do? You will make a straight line with the help of your scale, A, B. This is what? 4 centimeter. With the help of scale again, you will measure 2.9 centimeter. You will write there 9 centimeter with your scale and write there AB. Right? 10 centimeter, you will make a 2 points. Okay, 10 centimeter. You will write there 10 centimeter with your scale and you will mark there AB. This is your line segment. Understood, student? Next, question number 4. The line segments are already given. One picture of aeroplane is given in a question number 4. Now see here, question number 4, you can see one picture there, right? Some numbers are also given there. See properly, some numbers are also given there, numbers. See, alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Till M number is there, you have to write A, B. C, A and B. You will place a scale, whatever will be the measurement, you will write here. You will write here. Alright, this will be as a homework to you. Okay, children. So, go through the video. Wherever you have doubt, you can ask me. Right? So, by this, we are completing our exercise 9.1. Right? Thank you.